Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make basil pesto, a truly delightful and versatile sauce. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 medium-sized garlic cloves, and 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. These simple components combine to create an incredibly rich and aromatic pesto. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. First, gently wash and thoroughly dry your 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. Any excess water can dilute your pesto. Next, lightly toast your 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan over medium heat for just a few minutes until fragrant. This really brings out their nutty flavor. Finally, peel and roughly chop your 2 garlic cloves and grate your 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. It's time to bring everything together. Place your dried basil leaves, toasted pine nuts, chopped garlic, and grated Parmesan cheese into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped and well combined, forming a coarse paste. Then, with the food processor running, slowly drizzle in your 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue processing until the pesto is smooth, but still has a little texture. Finish by adding a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your homemade basil pesto is now ready. To store it, transfer the pesto to an airtight container. A great tip is to pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top. This helps prevent the pesto from oxidizing and turning brown. You can refrigerate your pesto for up to 5 days, or for longer storage, freeze it in small portions for several months. Enjoy this versatile sauce with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.